Yeah, g'day viewers. Kent here. I'm doing an update to the walk around of the farm tour. My mate Michael Guire has passed away, so we're going to make this a memorial thing to show you about all the stuff that he's done as an update. He's done a lot around the place. I'm here to do some watering in it today, so chilies. He's always known for his chilies. Bees get a little bit of water there, so give some more. Orange trees growing. As you can see, his gardening is all nice and bloomy at the moment. The grapevines here is actually growing. Everything you put in is starting to now flower. The bees are loving the lavender. You might say, oh, how come there's so much weed and grass around? It's because there's some lizards and that around here as well. So, there's a nice fig tree that Michael put into this barrel. Another lemon. Pomegranate. Some magpies fighting over there, arguing. Yeah, so we're going to have a walk around and check out Michael's place and do a memorial on it. We put some of these natives and that in here a while back as a windbreak. You can see it's really dry in the yard because it is very dry down this area. This is the last glass house that me and Patrick come down and help Michael put up all the frames in it for. Of course, he's done 100% since then. Let's go around the other way. So yeah, all this rendering and that was done by his nephews and that. I saw all these bricks and that for enclosing the whole veranda, which and the sheets are starting to snap and break. Have to do some work on that later. Put all these garden beds in ages ago. You're just starting to move them all around because he built these extra glass houses. He had retiring plans for 3 years. Look at the wasp there. Oh, it flew away. Oil the veg. I'll get some of that silver beet and give to the worms in a minute. The chilies, cucumber, weeds. Little compost scrap there. So yeah, you source these and got them all in. As you can see, you still hadn't finished yet. Still getting to the last bit. Ladders are up. But yeah, it's nice and warm in here at the minute. We nearly had it finished. Yeah. as the Americans call it. Coriander as we call it. Lemon mint. Leave that there. These chilies here, the little Thai ones, very, very hot. Put them to your lips and burn your lips off. Mint's invading everywhere here. Let's pull the majority of that out later. There's dragon fruit and that there. Yeah, it's nice and dry in here. Put some water on here before I go. Very dry here at the minute. So yeah, that's all the work he's done on the glass houses, and of course it looks like a construction site because that's what we're doing. Over in there is actually asparagus and that down in there somewhere. All the olive trees out here, these olives need a good drink. Something that Michael liked to do was collect old stuff. Just an old copper, lid's over there. Beautiful old copper. He had all his wood stockpiled and that for retirement as well. These are what in Australia we call our rainwater tanks. Catch all what we can. Other places they use like barrels and stuff. But yeah, fruit trees over there are looking good on the outskirts there. These are all olive trees. Then you come around and mow. There's all the almonds and that along there. He's put a couple more rows of olives in. Now the old pine. I just wandered around here. Oh, someone's put a lock on my gate. Okay, let's go around the other side. Seems like they'll lock the place up a bit more. That there is a Hills hoist, Australian Hills hoist. Many kids back in the day, 50s, 60s and all the rest of that, swinging on those things. It's the way back in the day how they built the gravels and rocks, local rocks and stuff. Bit of concrete all together. Loading ramp over there next to the car, so you can reverse up to it and load stuff on. His childhood swing set they used to have as a kid. Many kids got their fingers jammed in that contraption, eh? Our Massey Ferguson 135 Massey. Good old girl. Someone's locked and blocked and chopped this. What did you get for? I don't know why they did that like that. Because jammed. This is all falling apart. There's supposed to be people coming doing this, so there's no water being put on. Turn that hose on for a bit in a minute. We'll watch out for snakes too this time of year. There's my barrel. Yes, and there's a beehive. It's got a brand all over it. Yeah, I better come pick that up, take it back home. I left it here. These are a bit aggressive, these bees. I'm going to move it to my mate's farm so I can strip it down and redo it. As you can see, she's a bit weighty. But yeah, I'm going to squeeze it. I should have put my baler. These are apple trees and that, but as you can tell, they're very, very dried and died off. Yes, yes, I can see already that everything needs a good drink. Things are going really backwards around here. See, this whole hoop house has fallen down. Well, they're saying in Australia, not happy, Jan. I'm actually still registered as a farm manager. See, all this celery and that is going to shite. All that is, I'm going to go feed that to the worms. They can have some of that. All the tomatoes and that are going. Oh man. These used to be chook pens, chook houses back in the day. Of course, there's all the sleepers and that he's got to build the place up. More frames for the glass houses. More chicken pens back in the day. Actually had some bees in there at one stage. But yeah, she's bloody box horns back again. Watch out in here. This is a I'll just go slow in here and keep an eye and ear out, because this is where snakes like to come in to hang out. So all these boxes and that I've got to get rid of. Actually had them here to clean them all up and everything like that, and do the frames and stuff. But I'll have to move all this stuff out, all the wax and stuff, my half drum and all the other 10 frame stuff over there. What was that? What was that? That's where I start getting the heebie-jeebies in the shed. Well, see, you can see there, see the sliver? That's why I get the heebie-jeebies. See that trail? Actually, to look at that, it might actually be just a sleepy lizard. But that's why I get the heebie-jeebies in here. There's always snakes in here. There's probably some snake skeletons down here on that netting. But yeah, full summer and that when you work in the shed, or when I had all the beehives and that in here, going in and out with the old ones. It'd be a bit dangerous walking into that shed. Alright, that's for these trees here. I'll go and turn the other tap on up here for the orchard. And while I go up to the house and water, it's an old concrete rainwater tank, and the tower, we call that Eddie's tower. Yeah, he used to climb up there and watch everything. Right, a lot of wood and that around here. Danger, Will Robinson, danger. It's got a timer on it. It's 10, the timer's on. There we go. Yes. So I still need to manual water up around the house. Got to take a whole heap of this celery and give it to the worms. Oh, smell the celery. Right. this up and give it to the worms while I do the watering. So that's her. She's done lots to the place. A lot of the stuff laying around, but that's all the wood that you're stockpiling. There is a use for everything here. Compost piles out over there. Everything has a use. But yes, the old stone place. Oh, what was that behind me? Snakes. Oh. Yes, we must always watch out for snakes. So, farm tour. Short one. But there we go. We'll have a look around a bit later. And all the lavender is planted in here. Before it was all salt bush like that. Now it's all lavender. Cut the bottom out of all those glass to flagons, I should say. So that's it at the minute, and I'll see you up later. Bye now. Yeah, Mickleby is well missed.